What's going on, family? So listen, I just wanted to come here and give you a little bit more information about what your sponsorship and donations could help us do when it comes to helping our families, our participants, our veterans, small business owners, and working class families of minority communities when they need help in their transitions in life, right? Because everybody needs help. Until we make it there, we're going to need some help getting there. Let's just be honest, okay? And so we're here to help you for real. All right, here to help you for real. So the funding establishes, your funding is going to establish our outreach program, and it'll help us create a budget that will assist families and minority businesses who may have suffered wage loss during the unfortunate circumstances this past pandemic has caused many of us, or just the many trials and tribulations that life can bring you, right? That you don't get a chance to prepare for. Some things just happen. All right. So this budget will help me assist Patreons with rent, prescription costs. I know that was a huge thing for my grandfather, and he was a veteran, y'all. He needed tremendous help with his prescription costs, okay? And so utility bills, small business expenses, and our maximum financial capacity per participant, the goal that we're wanting to reach is $2,000. That will be the cap off, okay? Because, you know, if somebody rent is $800 and they can't pay their rent this month, and we, like many organizations I know here locally, right? Well, we can't help you pay the full amount. We can only give you $200-300, okay? That sometimes don't even put a dent in what it is you need. And then, you know, in regards to utility bills, okay, some of these organizations only want to help you pay your utility bills when you already got a disconnection notice. What good is that gonna do? Honestly, thank you, because you don't want to be ungrateful, but no one has said, listen, this is something wrong with this picture here. I'm your mouthpiece. I done said it. Let's get it done. So your budget, your donations and your sponsorship is going to help us create it's going to help us create a financial capacity, right? A financial maximum that each participant, we can help with maximum $2,000, and this can go towards your rental, your business expenses that you need support with, right, to keep maintaining, or it can go towards your life expenses for your home, your car, your utility bills, and this goes for our small business participants and our veterans and our, just working class families out there as well, okay? Now, to be eligible for these services, we do require our participants to have income and identity verification, current bill statements, residential proof, and verifiable business expenses, okay? And so that's our criteria. And our group of beautiful butterflies, our volunteers, we work diligently to make sure that we just, fine tooth your things so we can see how best we can help you. You understand what I'm saying? This is about giving you a hand up and not a handout. You don't got to worry about it, okay? Now, Collective Consciousness is a private foundation, so your donations are tax exempt, all right? And so that's just a little bit of information about, where your funding, where your donations and your sponsorships will be geared towards, okay? And so I thank you for your sponsorship. I thank you for your donations, and we look forward to seeing you, okay? Sometime during next year, we're going to have a gala, okay? We're going to team up with one of our partners, and we're going to invite you, okay? And celebrate you because you have helped us 100%. I believe in, sowing back into who has sown into me, and so I just want to thank you because God is amazing. Families are already being helped, and I just want to thank you. Peace.